In this video, I will show you how you can remove indicators on Exness. So there are two ways how you can do it, and the first one is you have to manually remove each indicator. So this is a really slow method. So if I hover mouse on this AO indicator and I click on those three dots and then remove, it will remove this specific indicator. But let's say you want to remove all indicators, or if you have drawings like this one, you want to remove it, you just need to click on this trash icon and click on this arrow next to it. And from here you can choose if you want to remove only drawings, indicators, or if you want to remove everything, so both drawings and three indicators. So if you click on it, you want to click on yes, remove them, and it will remove all indicators and drawings on your chart. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can remove indicators on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.